There are some group of words that we use in English like make a difference, come to an agreement, break a record, take a risk, do the right thing. These groups of words called collocations need to be used correctly in your writing. Let's take a look at a few of these.
Collocations with make. Collocations are a group of words that must be used together because they have a separate meaning. There are quite a few collocations that use the word make. Make a decision, make an effort, make clear, make a choice, make a complaint, make a difference, make a point, make an exception, make plans to, make progress. These are a few of the collocations that we can use with the word make. Now let's look at a few examples, sentences, to help you learn how to use these collocations with the word make. Make a decision. He made the decision to study every day. To make a decision means to decide something. Here's another sentence. She was having difficulty making a decision about the project. Make an effort. To make an effort means to do the very best that you can to do something. She knew she needed to make more of an effort to help the students. It was apparent that they had made an effort to welcome the new employees. Make clear. The president of the company made it clear that the policy would go into effect at the beginning of the year. Now, this means that the president explained very clearly about the policy. He made it clear. The law has been passed, making it clear that many were in favor of it. Make a choice. The company decided to make the choice to abandon the development of the product. To make a choice is to choose something. Making a good choice in eating habits is important for good health. Now, as you can see, we can use either the word a or the word the when using this group of words. Make the choice or make a choice. Make a complaint. The workers made a complaint to the management about the new policy. To make a complaint is another way of saying the workers complained to the management. Another way we can sometimes say this is to use the words lodge a complaint. The customer lodged a complaint to the manager. This has the same meaning as make a complaint. Make a difference. The policy will make a substantial difference in the use of materials. To make a difference means that something will cause a different result. The many hours of practice had made a difference in their performance. Make a point. The president made the point that the policy would take effect immediately. Now, to make a point about something means to bring attention to something. The teacher made a point of showing the best essays to the students. Make an exception. The company would make an exception for the client. When you make an exception, you allow something to happen that usually is not allowed or is not usually an option. They made an exception for the handicapped person. Make plans to. The company is making plans to rebuild the facility in the near future. To make plans to do something means to have the desire or purpose to do something and have a plan to do so. He is making plans to move to a new city. Make progress. The plans were making good progress because the weather had been so good. To make progress means that you're moving forward with something. He made good progress on his writing assignment. Now, collocations are often used in English and should be used in your essays, but they should be used correctly. These are a group of words together that have their own meaning. By making the decision to make a little effort to learn how to use these words will help you to make progress in your writing.
Did you learn any new collocations? I hope you found the video helpful. Try memorizing some of these collocations so that you can use them in your writing correctly. Happy writing!